Hello friends, welcome back to my channel VFXtutor. Today we gonna discuss color property of a GT element. This is the third part of season 2 working with HTML elements. The first two parts links are given in the description below. Go and watch these two parts first. So today's topic is color property. W3C has listed 16 valid color names which are validated and proceed with the HTML page. These color names include red, green, purple, silver and so on. The color property of the style attributes specify one of these colors to the applied to the actual content. So what are you waiting, friends? Let's go and demonstrate how to display the color in a web page. First we open the notepad and then type HTML and type head and then type title VFXtutor and then close title and then close head, and now open body. In this section we add the color BG color equal, we give the aqua and then close the body and close the HTML. Now go to file and save as 3.html and save and see the magic. The color appear aqua. Another way is to add the color. Simply we type hexadecimal value. If you remember the hexadecimal value, so you can also type hexadecimal value. For example, we type hashtag OOMFFF. This is for aqua color. And then press Ctrl S. Then we refresh the page. So this is the aqua color. We add some more color. If we add double F, double 0 and double F. This is for fuchsia color. Ctrl S and then refresh. That is pink or fuchsia color. So that's for all today. We will meet in the next lecture. Take care and bye bye.